Going up on is out, you guys. So today video is coming from Mr. Vegas. If you want to see the video in its entirety, then you can go to Mr. Vegas Instagram. He's stunning FOOTA hype. Keep the same energy and call name when you love to expose.
Anima talk a bag of things. Anima says some of the things that we FOOTA say right, you know, because FOOTA hype make you know say once a man have fame or power, Zane, he come like say him off limit, Zane, or him get a pass. Yeah, once a man have money, fame, power, Zane, and money and fame equal power, Zane. So I'm still I try to get my intro together. So nobody watch it patchy. So FOOTA do a live about somebody in the industry. What we notice with the live of FOOTA do? He don't call no name. Notice that, you know. FOOTA hype is a man on a while back when he call name. When FOOTA hype a bun spice, in bun spice openly. He call her all by her correct name, Gracie and all kind of thing. He go up on her page, go tell her in mine. When FOOTA hype a bun Shensia, he go up on all her page, go tell her in mine, and him call them name. So all FOOTA hype a do a video now, and a bun somebody, and we don't know who him a bun, that people have to guess and spell. People have to, I see some people now, on one of the vlogger them page, Motamasi page, and the people must say a buju him attack. When you really pay attention, you realize say it might not be buju. So how comes FOOTA hype can't call no name now? How comes brother FOOTA can't call no name now? Why you can't just come out and talk straight and burn a fire? That's why I tell you, say FOOTA, you're not ready for righteousness yet. You know, you have to cleanse yourself, brother. Because you're there on the battlefield, but you're going like say when you see the general, them and the commander, them out there, like you get weak. You're talking about your attack and you're fire shot and a duck. And a fire shot and a run and a fire shot and a go on like a wild shot. You're not really stand up in the battle. So that is the reason why me as a man use it as a case study, you know, to show up the hypocrites them. So them hear you attack, you know, and hear what them want to know, them want to say a buju you attack. When enough of them know who you attack, you know. Enough of them know who you attack, you know, but them want to say a buju you attack, you know why? Because you did put yourself out there. To put your neck on a block for people. Remember saying, you know, you put your neck on a block for two people in a dance hall, say them two people, then nah, go, you the thing say, you could have swear for two people in a dance hall. Remember you say that, you know. Only two people you say you could have swear for, you know. You think you could have swear for, you know. That means you don't have the spirit of discernment. Even though you know say your friend them did a deal in a folly. Even though you know say your friend them did a deal in a shakiness from a long time, you know. And now you are come now and you still can't come forward to make the people them know say, yo, this a go on, you know, people. Me a burn my fire and me can't burn my fire can't cool. Zane, and this a go on. Zane, you can't do that. You come forward and you burn a fire, but you burn a fire and you burn a little light fire at about. Yo, some man. Who is some man, my youth? Who is some man? Who is some man, brother? Who is some man? Then me ask a question now. Let me ask a question now, people. Zane, if a man did a bonfire all of these years, according to what FOOTA say, and now him reach a point where he change up all him lyrics, them and him up a man page, a like and a comment per man page in a bad suit, where in a bathing suit or in a body suit or in a whatever suit man in a. Then if a man where used to burn hot fire boy and a burn everything boy, reach a point now in a life where him gone on all a man page now where a man dress up in a bad suit and go over there comment and a like and all them something there. Why is it that FOOTA can call everybody else's name but he can't call that man name? Why is it that, yeah bro, give thanks. Why is it that, seeing? Why is it that you people, why you can't denounce the behavior they know? You denounce everything, you know. You burn out everything, you know. When FOOTA attack, you know, you jump up and say Ray. When FOOTA burn Spice, you know, you jump and say Ray. When FOOTA burn Chensia, them you jump and say Ray. When FOOTA burn Silent, them you jump and say Ray. When FOOTA burn everybody boy, you jump up and say Ray, you know. So now you see FOOTA go like say him a dash fire and a run. Or if you dash fire and a run, my youth. If you deal with righteousness, FOOTA, you have to show we say your righteousness you deal and you don't care because you can't compromise, brethren. And that's something that make me and you right now. Me don't know about me and you. See, because you're gonna see me as nobody. See? And you're higher than me and mightier than me. But that's something that make me pray you from day one, you know, from me pray you the other day. You know, remember, say me talk about this in the FOOTA. Remember, say when you come out and done everybody, you know, me say, yo, talk about your people, them in the business where you deal with folly. And that make you start swing some wild punch off of me, like you swing wild punch and a hide. And I say, talk straight, because I'm a big man and you're a big man. Talk straight, tell me what you say. Tell me what you say. Remember, say, I call you out on this months ago, you know, I say, stop, dash fire, and I go on like you can't put fire upon your friend them. Remember, I tell you about this in the FOOTA hype. That means that when you check it out, you know, and me are the one with the spirit I use, you know, brother. And me are the real one when you check it out, it's with the spirit I use, you know. Remember that, you know, bro. Remember, say, this make you start swing wild punch off of me, you know. Because I tell you, say, you can't sugarcoat what your friend them a do. You can't pussyfoot around what your friend them a do and a bun everybody else. And now you come forward now, Zane. And you talk about your friend. You talk about your people, them where you always try to get back friendship from. All when them style you, all when them diss you. You come back and you try to get friendship from them, Zane. But what? You still can't put the fire upon them because what? You leave room. You leave in room just in case you and them good again. You leave room for you and them be friend again or you and them get back in a good terms. See? But when you have burn Spice, them and burn everybody else, bridging, you don't leave no room for you and them get back in a good terms. You say you burn your fire and you no business. Remember, say, that way that you burn your fire, you know, general. I miss it that long time, say, you pussyfoot round the real things, you know. Remember, say, me see that long time and I say, yo, I say, me call you out, brethren, and you come now, come confirm it. You come now, come confirm it, brother. If you're general, dep on a man page, wearing a bad suit, or in a whatever body suit you say the man in, and batty rider, how comes you can't come put a fire upon your general? You come a dash some little subliminal talk and some little undercover talk. You have to come talk straight and make the people them know who you talk, brethren. I saw you dash fire, brethren. I saw you sure we say, yo, right now, you know, business. You deal with righteousness. Righteousness, you can't compromise, brethren. And the little demon them on the internet we always are, Ray, and I jump on wagon and I jump on people wagon and when people are disrespect people them jump on it. Oh, me no see uno no a bun out that. Oh, no bun out that. Oh, no say una deal with straight nation with una de pan FOOTA hype straight nation campaign. But uno na bun fire pan man with the pan man page a like and a comment pan man with a bad suit and them sitting there. Our man for be a straight man and even follow the page. Because me not even follow them page, you know. Me not even depend them the page, and enough artists, me see a like all some page more than you see some sitting show up and you see some artists a comment and a like, you know. Enough of the artists, them boy are shaky and them not shaky, you know. You think say my woman will I feel good for see me dep on a page with a man in a bad suit or a body suit or body right? You think say my woman that pre me, you know. Remember me tell you that, you know. So when I check it out, you know, I reveal everything I reveal now, you know, because all things must be revealed, you know. I reveal everything I reveal, say, whole I want to shake it from morning, you know. Enough fire on the dash point upon some youth who never did a trouble and some youth who mix up in a folly and no sodomy, you know. I want to try sodomize enough youth name boy and now no come and show no true colors, you know. Because you are going in the era now we not expose yourself, you know. If my woman see me on that the page, you know, she done it me, you know, my woman pre me, you know. Or a man for the pan a man page in a bad suit and batty rider. Or you follow that page. Then FOOTA, you go say now, say man a change up lyrics. For suit the gay community. Tell you who you are, tell you who you are talk, because you make all the people must say a bojo bridging. You have to come make a video and make the people them know who you are talk, in general. You cannot do that, FOOTA. And the little idiot them on the internet go on like say them not see that. But them ready to jump up and try tarnish all some youth name boy and try tarnish some man character boy. I would not see that. So one tell me say then. Say all I want to shake it then, you know. The whole I want to shake you know. The whole I want to shake when you really check out that's up me then, you know. The whole I want to shake it. See somebody now ask me is who. You leave all people now on my page for ask is who, you know. Nobody not supposed to come on my page and ask me is who, you know. Because remember say when you have bun Spice and bun Shensi and them bun everybody else, nobody now have to come ask is who. So the fact that people on my page now ask me is who, that means your work is unfinished, brother. Remember say you put out message say me can't make you go against nobody, you know. So me not make you go against somebody. Are you take up righteousness work? Righteous work. Are you take up that thing have to be the voice of reason. And the vice of purity and the vice of cleanliness and cleanliness and cleanliness and all them something, you know. And you take up the mandate there, in general. So if you take up the mandate there, you have to carry the cross, brethren. You can't put the cross now on my shoulder, brethren, and want me go tell people who you attack. You can't go put the cross on my shoulder. You have to go take some of the fire with you want me now to go see who you attack now, you know. So when them put the fire upon me, you cannot run and hide and dodge, and you can't go anywhere now, go still get your fire with them. And nobody now go burn you up on the internet because you never call no name. You know, since you're afraid of fire, brethren. But you have to understand, say, when you deal with purity and righteousness and truth and something, you don't afraid of fire because you already went through the fire and you're pure. Because when you go through fire, fire purge you. So if you want to put your general them through the fire and your deacon them and your friend them and all them something there, you have to put them through the fire to purge them. You can't out there put out, you know, you're going like say you're synonymous or anonymous. Excuse me. I go no want me so that no fear, general. That no fear. If a man dep on a man page in a batty rider and bad suit and him say, yo, him used to burn fire upon people. It no matter if a man grew up now, if a man turn big man or if a man whatever it is now, the man they have to point out say the man they roll used to try to mash down no youth and try to fight against no youth. So see the man they right now a dep on a page with a man in a batty rider and bad suit. Yeah, or bathing suit or body suit or whatever you say the man in a. If a man dress up in a bathing suit or bad suit or whatever, you know, that means that the man will expose some part of himself when a man not supposed to see. Unless I want freaky internet channel, I want freaky Instagram page, I want over there watch blue movie. Unless I want porn page, you know, over there, I watch it all out, you know. So that is when I say, I don't really burn the fire boy, I know, a joke on agi. But fire can't compromise, brethren. Fire deal with trash, brethren. Fire burn up all trash, brethren. When you put anything in the fire, it roast, man. You can't burn fire and go and like say, yeah, try to protect some people at the same time. Put the fire upon them like you put the fire upon Spice them. When you talk about Spice them, you know, all that Japan it reach, you know. All Japan people say, yo, me no want no song from Spice. No. She go on a parade and perform. When you put the fire, Japan it reach, you know, general. When you put all the fire upon Shensi, you know, all rummy, Shafi, all run out come defend her, you know, general. So comes you put out fire now, you can't put out a real fire upon your friend them. How comes you come now and come dodge? A dodge and a dash, little dash, 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 a dash, 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 some man, some man. Who the name some man? Who name some man, brother? Some man a change up them lyrics. Some man have to change up them song them. Some man gone over the shaky side. What you mean some man gone over the shaky side? You have to make we are talk general because yeah, I remember say you come take up the mandate here, you know. Remember say use a man say if a man eat lollipop in gone, you know. Remember say if a man peel the banana and bite it in gone, you know. Remember you say a broke man for broke banana and eat it in a bread. Remember say you gone to the extreme, you know. So you gone to all a point where you tell a man say not even icicle a man for eat. But now your friend them get caught. Pon a page where a man in a bodysuit and body rider and you come at about some man. Who are some man? And the idiot them now I go tell them say, I go on right now say, yo, come stop try style the man, try style the man. Them now go look on you and I say, yo, you come give you a half message, you know. Let me tell you something we go on. You come like a Christian them in a church, you know. Then get a duty, you know, then get a message, you know, them conscience or them mind or God or whatever, give them a message, you know, for carry out, you know. But through them licky and through them love likes, and through them want a friend, and through them want good part, on the good side of some people, then go and them a give the message, but them a give the message half-heartedly. Them not give the full message. Them a dash the message and a pick up back the message. So them failing at their mission. You're not different from the people them where get a message and go give the message. Give half of the message. If you get a message from the Lord, or you get a message from your ancestors them, because you deal with your ancestors them type of worship. Or you venerate your ancestors them. When you get a duty, brethren, you can't come and do the work and do the work half-heartedly, brethren. You have to come out here and make we know say, yo, that man. In other words, it come like say, a sexism you are dealing in a brother. And that it'll look now, you know. It'll look now like say you have something against the sisters them in a brother. Because when you're ready for dash fire upon the sisters them, you know, you ease up in a brother. Remember say when you look at you silent, go get caught in a show him body parts to the tranny, you know. Remember say a ding dang you go find a brethren. I make ding dang of it this one the youth, you know. So two things, you know, is either sexism you are dealing and weak fence, you know. Come like that you are dealing in a brother. Or people who are not your friend, you know. Remember say when conscience put in all the nose ring, you know, you the man come publicly come give it to conscience in a brethren. Remember that in a brother. Remember say Major Hype say him get molested and you give it to Major Hype in a brother. And remember say me I challenge you in a brethren. Remember say me I say, yo, when you give it to people, you know, easy fire brethren. So how comes on you come a pussyfoot round the thing general? Eh? Me not understand. And that is the reason why me as a man keep on talking, you know. I want to like when me talking, you know. I don't want to pre me when me talking, you know. I don't want to get rid of me and them something there, you know. I pre, you know, and me, I don't want to pre, you know. I want to see the hypocrisy in our world, you know. The hypocrisy in the black community is pan a high brethren. The hypocrisy in the black community is like, you know. So it's so obvious.